Morning routine conversations between Sarah and Ria. Good morning, Ria.
Good morning, Sarah.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. Do you use an alarm?
Yes, I set my alarm every night. Do you?
Yes, or else I might oversleep.
What do you do first after waking up?
I drink a glass of water.
That's a good habit. I stretch my body first.
Nice. Do you check your phone in the morning?
Sometimes, but I try not to.
Same here. It's better to start the day without a screen.
Do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, I do. It makes my room look neat.
That's great. I also make my bed after waking up.
What do you do next?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Me too. Do you use cold or warm water?
I prefer warm water. It feels refreshing.
I like cold water. It wakes me up instantly.
That's interesting.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, it makes me feel fresh. What about you?
Sometimes, but mostly in the evening.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
That sounds healthy. I like having cereal and fruit.
Do you drink tea or coffee in the morning?
I drink tea. It's my favorite.
I prefer coffee. It gives me energy.
Do you read or watch the news in the morning?
Yes, I check the news while having breakfast. That's good. I listen to music instead.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do yoga.
That's nice. I go for a short walk.
Walking is a great way to start the day.
Yes. It makes me feel fresh and active.
How long does your morning routine take?
Around an hour. What about you?
About 45 minutes.
Do you prepare your clothes the night before?
Sometimes, when I have an important day.
I do it every night. It saves time in the morning.
That's a smart idea. Do you pack your bag in the morning?
No, I do it the night before.
I should start doing that too.
Do you check your to-do list in the morning?
Yes, it helps me stay organized.
Same here. Planning the day is important.
Do you listen to music while getting ready?
Yes, it makes everything more fun.
I love listening to music in the morning too.
Do you ever feel lazy in the morning?
Sometimes, but I try to stay motivated.
Same. A good routine helps a lot.
Yes. A fresh morning leads to a great day.
I agree.
Let's have a great day ahead.
Yes. Have a wonderful day, Sarah.